In 1960, NASA spent millions getting this man, Joe Kittinger, to parachute from the edge of space. Now we are mounting our own near space mission, Operation 500, so called because that's what it's costing us. All we're using is a bit of foam, some high street video cameras, a lot of help from this man, electronics expert Steve Randall, and a very big balloon full of helium. This is what we call the payload. So the balloon is going to be lifting this into space. These arms, they just serve one purpose, and that's to hold the cameras. The cameras have to be out here, just so that they've got enough distance to focus on Dallas down below. And when we send them up in space, these are what's going to record the journey. This is ready to launch now. We've got to go. Steve, you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
3, 2, 1. And Dallas and his helium balloon are heading off to the edge of the atmosphere. All we have to do is keep up with him on the ground. Well, little Dallas is on his own now. Now, just like a proper space mission, all the data is broadcast down onto a computer here on Earth. That then can monitor his altitude, his latitude and his longitude. At just a few hundred feet, little Dallas encounters his first barrier, dense cumulus cloud. It might fog the lenses, but it won't slow his ascent. Just right now, he's pretty damned high. According to this, we're at about 30,000 feet. That's the kind of place that aeroplanes fly. At this height, there is a risk we could encounter a jet stream, a narrow band of easterly flowing winds that could hit 200 miles an hour and blast us out over the North Sea. Where he is now in the upper atmosphere is actually the coldest that little Dallas is ever going to feel, minus 55 degrees. But luckily there is good news. As he goes higher, he's actually going to get warmer because he's going to start collecting more of the sun's radiation. Wow, the balloon's now gone over 50,000 feet. That's out into the stratosphere there. Right now, he's at 94,000 feet. So it's pretty much into space as we speak. We've done it! 100,000 feet, and the curvature of the Earth is clearly visible. The onboard computer is set to release little Dallas and his parachute at exactly the same height as Kittinger, 102,800 feet. Unhitched from the balloon and with almost no air resistance to slow him, Dallas hurtles back to Earth, accelerating until, like Kittinger, he reaches his terminal velocity at around 600 miles an hour. At that point, after an incredible journey, the batteries run out. We're searching now for where we anticipate Dallas to be landing. And a worst case scenario for me is that he lands in a populated area. Things from space should not be dropping on human beings. The last contact we had with the Dallas doll suggested he might be heading for the town of Chatteris in Cambridgeshire. For all the planning, design and weather surveillance that's gone into this, it's come down to the fact that we're looking for a 6-inch doll dressed as an astronaut. And after 2 hours of searching, Come here, come here, come here. Dallas! He's made it! Dallas, you're now an astronaut. He's made it.